Hello, good morning to all of you. I'm Professor Suresh Satpathy, the Director of Doctoral Research and Publication for the KIIT University. I'm really extremely happy today to be part of this particular research excellence workshop, especially for the PhD scholars. It's really heartening to note the number of participations and involvement of our PhD scholars. For the first time, I find there is a lot of enthusiasm among our PhD scholars to come together to a common platform and then exchange the views, the technical knowledges, and also network each other.
I'd like to thank the KIIT fraternity and all the doctor scholars for inviting me and allowing me to share some of my insights and having a wonderful discussion on interdisciplinary research. I thoroughly enjoyed our conversation and I hope I could add at least a bit of value to the doctor journey for the KIIT scholars.
Today's event is about Research Excellence Workshop. It was really engaging and it was really helpful for all of the scholars.
This is a great platform they are conducting for their PhD research scholars.
Very much impressed about the event conducted by our KIIT Research and Development Unit as well as the Internal Quality Assurance Center.
I personally feel that a research excellent workshop is very important. What kind of research going on, high-end research going on across various schools of this university, so that they can go back and they can improve their quality of research.
I'm very much happy that I've been part of this university for so long.